आओ बच्चों, हम तुम्हें ABCD सिखाते हैं। A for apple.
A for apple.
B for bat.
B for bat.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ink.
I for ink.
J for jug.
J for jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for net.
N for net.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for X-ray.
X for Xray.
Y for YouTube.
Y for YouTube.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
शुक्रिया बच्चों, आपने आज का सबक सीख लिया। अब इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा।